Yes, I know all the dirty
Beam me up, Mr. Spock.
Hi, I'm Angela Theresa Egic, and I am grateful and thankful for all the people who help me and keep helping, especially when you join me on my YouTube channel. I try to keep the classes to only a few students. Sometimes it's going to be one-on-one. I have a wonderful class, Curing Panic Disorder. Yes, I have suffered for many years from panic disorder since childhood, and I found a way to cure it. The first 3 weeks of November, one already passed, and December, on Friday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can join my class. $50, just $50, to help cure your panic attacks or panic disorder. Come on over. Come check it out. You can take it every week for the first 3 weeks, because you'll probably learn something new every time the more you do it. Let me know. You can sign up. You just send me an email. Tell me your email address, what you prefer, Cash App, or Apple Pay, or PayPal. Those are the three I use. I will invoice you, and when you pay it, give you the information to join the next class.
I'm going to help you get there. In the meantime, we're going to all get there. It's going to be incredible. All the things that we wish for, you can manifest it, and I know you can. Got to quit living in the fear. We have a right to be happy. It is our birthright to be happy in this lifetime, while we're running around in these suits, our suits of armor, and our body suits, so to speak. We are spirits living in a physical world. We want you to be happy, calm, safe, and you are. There'll be a lot of other goodies here for you too, starting real soon. So keep your eyes here. Follow, please follow, favorite my channel, and we're on a wonderful, new, incredible life.
Or more. We live and learn every day. See you there. Don't worry, we got this covered.
So I'd love to see you in Curing Panic Disorder. Again, we have them every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through the first 3 dates in November, the first 3 Fridays, and the first 3 Fridays in December.
And I teach American Sign Language.
Talk to you soon. Keep your eyes here for more information, because there's more coming, and more classes and more Zooms that you'll love.